Get those legs in shape. I go through the door.
Yeah.
You have to rate the glass to operate the fire alarm.
I see.
All you have to do is put your card on this reader.
Oh, yeah.
Here you may find certain flatmates. This is Neil.
In Thailand.
Neil, would you like some pasta? I don't believe it's mine.
No, I'm good.
Okay.
Not that I don't want
Rejected. Fine, Neil. This has been going on for too long.
Hey, did you have
Neil,
strawberries and
how
cream?
do you feel about living here?
It's alright. I guess.
That was such a shit interview.
That's my job.
When do you interview people?
Well, no, because you got to do that for psychology.
We knew it's psychologist Neil.
No, you need to go on a home.
Oh.
I do that.
Face!
Keep the cool, keep the calm. She's brandishing a knife! It's madness! It's madness!
Like, something on the other.
I thought you were getting food.
Oh, I was about to
No!
So if you blow that up, you rip off your soul.
rip off a soul. It's so detachable.
Good.
Oh, you're just gonna wait till I put it in my mouth. Are you filming?
Yeah.
Oh, fuck you! Oh, dear God. I'm eating some chicken korma.
Is it good? Is it good?
Mm-hmm. I just tried to speak. It's really good. My review is it's very creamy, but not too much. The one mouthful that happened on, and you had to be filming. Chicken, very, very good amount of chicken. If you like your meat, like Laura.
What are you trying to say? Hey?
Laura likes a bit of
Chicken?
meat. Laura embodies everything I like in a woman.
So you fancy her?
Not at all.
You fancy everyone.
Yeah. Listen, if I fancied Laura, it'd be really, really awkward and bad. But I don't. Because her boobs are too small. I'm just kidding, Laura. Her boobs are lovely, I'm sure. Haven't really looked. So here I've almost finished this curry. Nom to the extreme. Wash it down with a bit of Dutch courage.
All you have to do, right, is get a bit polish. I don't know what I'm talking about.